East Orlando, Meridian Parks by Mattamy Homes. Let's go check out this new construction. The Olympic floor plan is part of Mattamy's executive collection and has over 3,000 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms plus a flex room downstairs, and 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms. As you enter into the home, we've got the flex room over to the right, makes a perfect office that overlooks the front, and into the grand family room and kitchen. The large island has a flush breakfast bar with plenty of seating. At over 21 feet across, this home has room for everyone. The standard floor plan comes with a single sliding door. This model has the triple sliders out back. The laundry room is conveniently located right next to the primary bedroom. One of my favorite things about this model is that even though it's a 2-story home, there are no rooms above the primary bedroom. And just look at the size of this closet. Upstairs, you have a generous size loft at over 350 square feet. You also have one full bathroom that has optional double sinks, and your first guest bedroom that is a generous 12 by 12. The second guest room is a little bit larger at 13 by 14 and offers a walk-in closet. And the fourth guest bedroom has an optional private bath. Reach out to the Teston team today for more information on this model or to start your new construction search. We're happy to help.